so we're gonna see Tupilo's reaction when I make random noises. So right now she's chewing on Osborne's bed. Yeah, she's chewing on Ozzy's bed. I think she thinks it's the phone. Meow. This is by far my cutest and most funniest video yet. Growl. Okay, yeah, she didn't respond to that because that was whatever it was. Okay, I'm gonna do one last one. One last one. Oh, you're so cute. I love you.